Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show overview of service catalog. Okay, let's see. So our agenda is what is service catalog, why we use a service catalog, who uses service catalog, and what is the process overview of the service catalog. Okay, and what are the roles involved in service catalog. Okay, let's see. Service catalog. How people access service catalog? See, in the left navigator self-service, there is a called service catalog. Okay, if you open service catalog, you can see service catalog. Okay, you can see there is a services, hardware, software. Can we help you? Okay, all these things. What is this? What is service catalog and why we use service catalog? Generally, for example, if you want to order any mobile or laptop or anything, any electronic devices or anything, from like Amazon or some other shopping portals. Okay, so from there you will order whatever is required. But in IT, okay, if you want a laptop, once you join a new company, you want a laptop and you want some like chair, desk, okay, or you want to install some software in the your system, okay. So so all these things, okay, and if you want some firewall installation, okay, or if you want to apply some leave, okay, and if you want to have planning for a travel leave, okay, something like that, okay. So all these things, okay, can be done from the service catalog of your company's portal, okay. That is called service catalog. Okay, from the service catalog you can order, okay, anything, or you can request, okay. So that is service catalog. So in service catalog, mostly the users can access service catalog by by directly going to the left navigator and click on service catalog, or um, or go to the portal. From portal also, how what is the portal? For default, we have SP. Okay, Suffix XP, the service portal. Okay, this is the out of the box portal. So here you can access everything like knowledge, catalog, request. You can check the system status, everything. But to access service catalog, you need to click on request something. Okay, or you can click directly go to home page, or you can click catalog here. Okay, browse by categories or anything. Okay. So this is a service catalog. Users can access the service catalog from the browser or from the backend IT view also. They can use it. But mainly in service catalog, all these we have items. For example, if you want to order some laptop or mobile or something, those are called items. All these items are placed in a or placed in a like one categories, like hardware categories, hardware related items, software categories, software related items. All those you will have some different categories. Okay, if we have some different multiple catalogs like service catalog, okay, so we may have multiple catalogs like a technical catalog or some other catalogs, okay. So you can do all these things, but for now we have only one catalog here called service catalog. In upcoming classes we can see that how can we create multiple service catalog, how can we access multiple service catalogs on portal, all those things, okay. Okay, so in this section, I will tell you about only overview how we can use it, how to use it, but not how to create everything. But in upcoming classes, we can see how can we create categories, how can we create catalogs, how can we add multiple items into one category or something like that. Okay, for suppose this is the hardware item. Okay, so once you click on hardware, that category. So you have different items inside the related to hardware. Okay, that is from IT view. And same thing like you have category here. Click on a category, so you will have all these items. Inside this hardware, you have different subcategories also: hardware, cable and adapters, mobile, printers. Okay, so when you click on hardware, it shows all the categories. Okay, all the items. But when you click on cables and adapters, only the items which are related to cables and adapters will be visible here. Okay, so here you can see it. Okay, here it is in the hardware category, so everything is it's like okay. But in port and in the related categories, you have cable and adapters, mobiles, printers. Okay, so portal view is better than the IT view. Okay, so these are the categories. Okay, so how users use it? So whoever, for example, if any user is having, for example, for all the companies, the users okay, who don't have the access roles. Okay, like general users. Okay, they have only access to service portal, not to IT view. Okay, so they can come to service portal and they can, for example, they want Apple USB-C charger. Okay, they can place an order. Like open this one, fill this mandatory items why you need. Okay, I am adding a test. Okay, and submit it. Okay, so unsubmit it or something like that. Okay, once you submit, you will get one request. Okay, one request. Okay, this is called a request. Under this request, you have a request item. Okay, a request item. Okay, so if I open this request in IT view, okay, request is created and a request RITM is created. Okay, if you open this RITM, okay, it's called requested item. Okay, under the requested item, you have approvals. Okay, so based on the approvals, okay, some items have approvals and some items don't have approvals. Okay, and some items trigger the approvals based upon the cost. Okay, based upon the cost. For example, this cost is like uh, is something this for this item you need a financial approval, okay, to approve it, or something, or head approval you need. Okay, once this request approval is approved, okay, sometimes you have multiple approvals, group approvals or user approval. This is user approval. Once approval is approved, okay, a task will be created. Okay, this is called procurement. Okay, procurement. Please fulfill this order. This is called procurement. Okay, so once this procurement is done, okay, once it is closed, okay, if I open the task and it is closed, complete, okay, and update, then a field service. Okay, please deploy item to the user. That means procurement is like they brought the item, they brought the charger. Okay, and field service is like they are deploying the giving the item. Okay, delivering the item to the particular user. Okay, once it is completed, once it is closed, complete, update, then there are no other task. Okay, there are no other tasks and directly RITM will be closed. See, close, completed, completed. And the request is marked as close, complete. So if you go to, if you open the request, a request, once you order, a request will be created. Under one request, a multiple RITM is created. Okay. Under this RITM, you may have approvers or you may not have approvers. Once approver is approved, you may have sequential approvals or parallel approvals. Once approved, and if there is second level of approval, it will trigger. If after second level, if there is third level approval will trigger. So once all the approvals are approved, okay, then it triggers the task to the particular department, okay, to whom it needs to go. Okay, for example, if it is an Apple USB-C charger, okay, so this needs to be ordered, okay, in Apple, portal, and then this once it is delivered to the company, then company will deliver to the user. So there are two kind of tasks. There are sometimes it's like only one task. Okay, only one task. It's like install software on the user's machine. So, okay, the IT team will come and they will install the software on the user's machine. That is only one task. Okay, sometimes in one RITM, it can have one task or multiple tasks. Okay, one RITM can link to multiple tasks, but one task cannot be linked to multiple RITMs. Okay, like reverse versa. One task can have two tasks. One RITM can have two tasks or three tasks or four tasks or 10 tasks, anything. But one task should be related to only one RITM, not many RITMs. Okay. The same way, one request can link to many RITMs. For example, if I go to service catalog, if I click on software, access, add to cart. Okay, continue shopping. Okay, then I go to Adobe Acrobat. Okay, then add to cart. Okay, I have ordered two RITMs. Okay, proceed to checkout. So two RITMs. If I open this request, so under this request, I have two RITMs. So the same way, under one request, you can have one or multiple RITMs, but one RITM cannot have multiple requests. Okay. The same way, one RITM can have one RITM can have multiple tasks, but one task cannot have was multiple RITMs. Okay. So that is the process. Okay. So that is the process. Request management process flow is this one. For requester, okay, request items from the catalog. Okay, once he placed this one, if approval is required, if approval approved, okay, reviews or request item for eligibility, approves the request, complete the task required to fulfill that request, okay, or reject the request closed. Okay, request are notified and request is closed. Okay. Okay, this is the request management process flow. Okay, so what all the tables we covered in the service catalog request, SC underscore request is the request item. That is the RITMs, SC underscore REQ underscore item, approval, sys underscore approval. Okay, SC task, SC underscore task. So these are the four tables mainly involved in service catalog. Okay, so this is a high level of overview of service catalog. In the next section, in the next video, we will tell about how to create one catalog or multiple catalogs, how we can add catalog to the portal. Okay, how we can do add multiple categories into the one catalog, multiple items into one item. So all these things we can see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.